up guys, my name is Ram here, and today guys I'm back with another video. So this video is going to be mainly talking about the error GeForce Now. As you guys could see, the error is 0x8008201C. So I literally had this error for like 1 month now, and I didn't find a fix, but like I just needed to do a shout out. So special thanks to Karman, because Karman like helped me so much. He's my friend. So yeah, he doesn't have any YouTube channel yet, but if he does, I'll notify you guys. He's he's like a professional in tech. He knows a bunch of stuff. But anyways, I'm gonna be talking about this error code. So I've talked to a bunch of Bitdefender specialists, and trust me, it doesn't matter what you tell them. You're gonna have to delete Bitdefender. But if you want to run GeForce Now and Bitdefender simultaneously, then here's a way you can do it. So I'm going to be teaching you guys that. Also guys, I just wanted to tell you that I might be getting some merch. So I've been thinking about it. So yeah, so what you guys are going to do is you guys are going to go to Bitdefender. It's taking some time. And then, okay, wait, yeah, I already showed you guys the error code. You guys are going to go to protection, and you guys are going to go to settings and turn off the Bitdefender shield. So you guys could do this how long you want, but I personally recommend you do until system restarts. So you guys say okay, and then you guys are gonna hit exit, and then you guys are gonna go to your search bar and search up system configuration. Config. So once you load up that, wait up, taking some time. You guys are gonna go to boot. I'm just gonna zoom this in. Boot. And you guys are going to click the safe boot option. And you guys click safe boot, and then everything is done. You guys don't need to click anything, and then you guys just hit OK. And it says this, hit restart. So now it's just restarting. So this might take a while, so I will be right back. Alright guys, I'm back, and yeah, so this is the first thing you'll notice. Well, actually, the first thing that you notice is if you have a PIN, you're gonna have to enter a passcode. So you guys, just in case, get a passcode. But I mean, yeah, like for me, I had a PIN and a passcode, but it didn't really. I just had to enter my passcode. But anyways, so what you guys are gonna do is you guys are gonna go to the files, so file system or file explorer. Alright, so then what you guys are going to do is you guys are going to go to Windows C, Program Files, Bitdefender Security, and you guys are going to scroll down until you see HTTP proxy. As you guys can see, there is an HTTP proxy, and the reason it says 2 is because I've actually done this before, but I restarted for you guys. Since I really wanted to make this video, I just wanted to help you guys. So yeah, you'll see that one HTTP proxy. If you modified it, then you'll see like a duplicate, and that's what happened to me. That's why it says 2. But pretty much what you guys are going to do is you guys are going to go to this file, rename, and you guys are going to change the DLL file to DL underscore. Wait up. DL underscore. And then you guys hit enter. Okay, so now that's a DL underscore. It's an unusable file. So then Bitdefender can't do anything about it. But anyways, then you guys are going to go back to system config. Sorry guys, I can't really hold since one hand I'm using to type. It's pretty annoying. System config. It's just taking a long while. You guys are going to go to boot. Boot, safe boot. You guys are going to tick it off. Hit OK and hit restart. Okay, I'll see you guys back again. Okay, yo, I'm back, and I've loaded GeForce Now. As you guys could see, it's not on safe mode because if it was on safe mode, then the screen would be black. But guys, I'm back. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait for the game to load. My computer just booted up, so it's taking a long time. I don't know what it is, but yeah. Yeah, it's loading up. It just takes a long time, that's the problem. But I mean, it's loading up, and as long as it works, it works. Yeah, it's still loading. It's still, oh my god. Yeah, see, now you guys can see it's working. I was gonna do Fortnite, but Fortnite's game servers are currently down. So look, as you guys can see, it's working. So yeah, as you guys can see, this is the issue. This is the issue resolved. If you guys want to see more videos, please leave a like and subscribe. I'm on my road to 200 subs. And yeah, this is gonna be all it is. As you guys saw, it clearly worked. I was gonna do Fortnite since I actually have an account on Fortnite, but if you guys see the grid, like the hexagonal grid at the back, that means it's working. I would have done Fortnite, but as you guys can see, it's not working right now. The game servers are currently down. They're patching the game. So yeah, also guys, I just need to tell you guys something. When you guys are updating Bitdefender, what you guys need to do is you guys go back and it's like if you guys notice that your game isn't working or something like that, it's probably because you have an extra file, because Bitdefender keeps creating more files and more files. So when you update, it's going to keep creating new files. But if you're having no issues, then you're fine. If you're having issues, redo everything, and you're going to have the same DLL, and just look for an additional HTTP proxy and just delete that one. So you guys don't delete the original one. You guys only delete the other one, like the newly created one. So yeah, anyways guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Alright guys, so I didn't really have a chance yesterday to show Fortnite, so just in case you guys are a little bit skeptical, I'm gonna hit play, and yeah, it's gonna work. Also, I've already finished editing the video, and I'm very sorry guys. Like, the quality is really bad, but I mean, at the end of the day, like, it's educational video. As long as you guys know what's happening, then that's fine, okay? Yeah. So also, I'm gonna be making another video next week, or maybe even tomorrow. I don't really know for sure. But if you guys do subscribe and hit that notification bell, you guys will always get notified. And I'm very sorry, guys. I know I haven't uploaded in 6 months. Yeah, it's just been busy. So I'm very sorry, guys. But you know, I'm gonna try to upload more frequently. But yeah, as you guys can see, Fortnite is working. So there's no issues, no problems. So yeah, I just wanted to show you this at the end. And yeah, that's over.